Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter consumer math. And the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are price list, unit price, and sale prices. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the first lesson. Here I'm on grade 5 math. The chapter name is consumer math. And let's just start with the lesson that is price list. Okay, so basically we're going to learn about the consumer math, right? So what do you know about consumer math? What is consumer math? What type of math it is? Basically, it is a branch of mathematics that uses the basic math skills in real life situation, like when you are shopping, calculating taxes, estimating budget, or even when you are calculating interest rate, right? So that is the branch of the math that is related to your basic life. You can even note down the definition of the consumer math. I'm going to write a definition on the board. So a branch of math that uses basic math skills in real life, basic math skills in real life situations like shopping, calculating taxes, calculating interest rate, calculating sale prices, right? So this is what we do in consumer math, right? We calculate the tax on the shopping, the interest rate, the sale prices. This is known as the um, consumer math. Got it? That is the definition of the consumer math. So basically, here we are going to learn how do we calculate the sale prices, the taxes, the interest rate. That these all are related to our real life situation, right? We do these things when we are doing shopping. So the first thing is, okay, the first lesson is price list, right? So what is price list? Price list means that is the essential for consumer when you go for shopping. price list is very essential because it helps them understand how much they should be expected to pay for an item without having any discount or coupon applied, right? So when you go for shopping, you need to understand how much you have to, how much you expect to pay for something. That is the price list, right? So we're going to learn, like, we have a list of different items with their prices. With these price lists, we're going to learn how do we pay for something, right? So let's just start with the lesson, that is price list. So you can see this is the price list you are given. Look at the example. How much money does Rick need to buy a package of purple steamers, a kazoo, and a whistle? So you are given a price list. Now you need to see how much he have to pay for the purple steamer, a kazoo, and a whistle, right? So what you have to do, you have to add up all these prices, all the prices of these three things. This way you can know what price he have to pay for these things, right? So you are here to learn. What can we do if you are bored? Focus on the learning, please. How much money does Dirk need to buy a package of purple steamer? Okay, here is package of purple steamers, that is $1.53, a kazoo, that is $1.59, and a whistle, that is $1.99. So you need to see how much total money you have to buy these three things, right? So you need to add up the prices of these three things, right? 1.53, 1.59, and 1.99. So when you add them, that is $5.11. That means if Rick has $5.11, he can buy all these three things. So using this example, you can understand the concept of the price list. That is the concept of the price list. You are given a list of items with their prices so that you can know what is expected to pay for these items, right? So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, how much more does a pecan pie cost than a pear tart, right? Okay, so here is pecan pie, that is $9.38, and here is the peach pie, that is $5.81. You need to see how much more pie cost, how much more pecan pie cost than pear tart. So pecan pie is $9.38 and pear tart is $5.81. Just subtract them so that you can know how much more pecan pie is, right? 8 minus 1 is pecan pie, and peach tart, not peach pie. 9.05 it is. Sorry. Pecan pie, that is $9.38, and pear pie, that is $9.05. So just subtract them. 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 minus 0 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0. Basically, you need to apply the basic concept here. Add or subtract, just you need to understand the question, right? Right, so the correct option is 0.33. Okay, how much money does Mario need to buy a trivia game and a board game, right? So the price of the trivia game is $19 and board game is $18. Just add them and need to see if you want to buy these two things, how much money he have, right? Just add them. 8 and 9, 17, 1, 2, and 3. That means if he need to buy both these items, the price is $37. Got it? So he have must have $37 if he want to buy these two items. Got it? So the correct option is $37. Okay, Johnny has $9. Does he have enough to buy a map of Canada and a map of United States? How do you know he have enough money? Just add the cost of the map of Canada and the cost of US dollar. So if $9 is more than their cost, that means he can buy these two things, right? So the cost of Canadian map of Canada $5, map of United States $5. 5 plus 5 makes 10. So he have enough money. $9 he have. Is it enough? No, he don't have enough money, right? Because the total cost of these things is $10 and he have $9. How can he buy both the things? You can buy an item for $10 when you have $9. No, you cannot buy. So the correct option is no. Got it? Just understand the question, right? Okay, the next one is how much money does Dustin need to buy a crane, race car, and a dump truck? Dump truck. So how do you know how much money he must have? Just add the prices of these three items, right? Stop talking, everyone. I'm going to share screenshot with the administrator. They will contact your parents if you are going to gossip here. Stop talking, I said. Just listen on the focus on the lesson we're working on. So crane price 6,646. Our race car is 9,855 and dump truck is 9,812. Right? Let's see how much money they need. 6 and 5, 11 and 12, 13, 3, 1 carry. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11, 1, 1 carry. 8 and 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 1, 23, 3, 2 carry. 9 and 9, 18 and 20 and 26. So that is 26,313. That means the money he need to buy all these things is $26,313, right? Just answer the questions I'm asking. The answer is 26,313. Very good. Shauna has $0.15. How much money will Shauna have left if she buy a butterscotch candy and a gummy bear? So which is the correct option? He has 0.15, right? He want to buy butterscotch candy and a gummy bear candy. So how much money he have left after buying these two things? So when you add their prices, that would be 0.02 and 0.05. That means their price is 0.07. And when you subtract 0.07, when you add these two prices, that would be 0.07. Actually, you have to subtract 0.07 out of 0.15. So when you subtract 0.07, so you cannot subtract 5 out of 7. You need to borrow 1. Here you have 0 and here you have 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. So that would be 0.15. 0.08. So the correct option is 0.08. Got it? The correct option is option number one. No one is answering the questions I am asking. Okay, Eric has $2.50. Does he have enough to buy silver glitter pen and a yellow highlighter? Which is the correct option? The price of silver glitter pen is $1.12, and the price of yellow highlighter is 1.47. Just add 9, 5, and 2.59 it is, right? So does he have enough money? Which is the correct option? No, he don't have enough money, right? The correct option is no. Okay, the next one is Lita has $47.46. How much money will Lita have left if she buy a banana cream pie and an apple tart? So which is the correct option? Just add up the prices of these two, right? Hmm, how much money he have left? The correct option is 24.87. Okay, let's see. Okay, very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is I think unit prices. So what do you know about unit prices? What is unit prices? Unit means one, right? So unit prices means unit means one, right? So the unit price means the price of one item, right? One item or measurement. For example, you can calculate the price of 1 kilogram, the price of 1 pound. These are all the unit prices, right? Unit prices means price of. A measurement means you can need to calculate the price of 1 pound, 1 kilogram. These are the measurements, right? For example, you bought a, you went to the market, you get a color pencils, right? The bunch of the color pencils. So the bunch of the color pencils is for $8. You need to calculate the price of one color pencil. How do you calculate the price of one color pencil, and what is the price of the color pencil? What you have to do, like you're given the price of the bunch of pencils that is $8. You need to calculate the price of the $1. You have to divide $8 by 8. You will get $1. $1 is exactly the price of the one. pencil, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, which is the best buy? 8 kilograms bag of sand for 3.92 dollars or 9 kilogram bag of sand for 4.50 dollars, right? So you need to see which is better buy, right? How do you know which is best better buy? You need to calculate the price of 1 kilogram, right? So the one is the better buy that have less price of for the 1 kilogram, right? So the first one is $3.92 for 8 kilograms. So divide 3.92 by $8, that is $0.49, right? Then $4.50 divided by 9, that is $0.50. So which is less? 0.49 is less, right? That means 8 kilogram bag for of sand for $3.92 is best buy than the 9 kilogram bag of sand for $4.50, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, a 3 kilogram bag of sand cost $11.37. What is the unit price? You need to calculate the unit price. Unit price means you need to calculate the price of 1 kilogram, right? A 3 kilogram bag of sand is $11.37. What is the unit price? So you need to calculate the unit price. So you need to divide 11.37 divided by 3. This way you can have the price of 1 kilogram. Got it? So 11.37 is 3.79, right? That means the price of a kilogram bag of sand is $3.79. Very good. Got it? Okay, the next one is a 9 foot piece of wire is $1.26, right? What is the unit price? So you are given a price of 9 foot piece of wire, right? That is $1.26. You need to calculate the unit price. Unit price means you need to calculate the price per foot. So you have to divide 1.26 by $9. So 1.26 by 9 is, you have to divide 1.26 by 9. So which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 0.14. That means the price of the per foot by cost is $0.14, right? The correct option is 0.14. Okay, the next one is which is a better buy? Two pack of toaster pastries for $1.46 and seven pack of toaster pastries for $4.83. So which is the correct option? So divide 1.46 by 2 and 4.83 by 2. Let's see which is the better buy, right? Okay. $1.46 divided by 2 and $4.83 divided by 7, right? Let's see which is the better one. Okay, 1.46 by 2, that is 0.73, and 4.83 divided by 7, that is 0.69. So which is the better by? The first one or the second one? Yes, very good. The second one is the better buy because when you calculate the price of one toaster pastry, the second one has the less value. So the correct option is the second one. Got it? Okay, which is a better buy? 6 kilogram bag chocolate candies for $33.90 or 7 kilogram of bag chocolate candies for $39.48. So which is the correct option? Which one is better buy? Calculate the 1 kilogram pack of bag chocolate, right? Which is the better estimate? Okay, 33.90 divided by 6 is $5.65 and 39.48 divided by 7 is $5.64. So which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. 33.90 for 6 kilograms is the hmm, oh, 5.64 is less, so the second one is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is stop talking please. Which is the better buy? 2 pack of golf ball for $3.68 or 8 pack of golf balls for $14.88. Which is the correct option? Stop talking please. Okay, 3.68 divided by 2 is 1.84 and 14.88 divided by 8 is 1.86. So which is the correct option? This one is 1.84 and this one is 1.88. So obviously 1.84 is less. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is a 4-meter roll of yellow fabric costs $15.24. What is the unit price? Basically, you need to calculate the price of 1 meter. So how do you calculate? Yes, the correct option is $3.81. The correct option is option number 1, that is 3 point. So the price of 1 meter is $3.81, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Let it play. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is you're going to calculate the sale prices now, right? That is very important lesson whenever you're in You're going for shopping, you have to see the prices, the sale prices, right? So now we're going to learn how do we calculate the sale prices. Okay, just look at the first one. The original price of a table is $74, right? And what is the sale price? You have 50% off, right? Whenever you have the word 50%, 50% means exactly half, right? So basically you need to calculate the half price. Just simple divide the price by two. That is very simple when you do logically, right? The other way is you can calculate the 50% off. How do you calculate? The original price is 74. Basically, you have to calculate 50% of 74. So just do 50 times over 100 times 74. The price is 37. So both the ways are exactly right. If you calculate the half price, divide 74 by 2, that is the sale price, 37. Or otherwise, just calculate 50%, do 50 times the original price divided by 100. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, Erica wants to buy a notebook. The original price is $2. What is the sale price? So the book is 50% off. 50% off means half of the original price. So the price after off is the price is you have to divide $2 by two, right? That means the price is $1. The half of two is one. That is $1. Okay, the next one is Rebecca wants to buy a nightstand. The original price is $36. What is the sale price? So you have to calculate the sale price. That is 25% off, right? So just calculate 25% of 36. So how do you calculate 25% of 36? 25% off 36. You have to do 36 times 25 over 100, right? So just calculate the value, that is 36 times 25. 36 times 25, that is 900, and 900 divided by 100 is 9, right? That means on 25% off, you need to pay 9 less than the original cost. The original cost is 39, that is the discount, right? Or you have to pay 9 less than the original price. The original price is 36. So 36 minus 9 is 27. That means you need to pay 27, because it is 25% off, so you need to pay $27, right? The correct option is $27. Very good. Okay, the next one is what is the price of the basketball jersey originally priced as $38? So which is the correct option? You can use any method, right? The first one I told you, think logically. 50% means half price. You just divide the original price by half, right? So the original price is 38. 38 divided by 2 is $19. The other way is you can calculate 50% of 38, right? Both the ways are exactly right. So the price is $19. Very good. Okay, the original price of a table is $74. What is the sale price? Which is the correct option? 50% off means you need to calculate exactly half price, right? So just divide 74 by 2, which is the correct option. The correct option is, yes, that is $37. The correct option is $37. Okay, Dana buys a bookcase during the sale. If the original price is $44, how much does Dana pay? So, which is the correct option? That was on $44. The original price is $44, and that was on 25% off, right? So, just calculate 25% off 44. You have to calculate 25% of 44. That is the discount, right? 25 over 100 times 44. You have to do 25 times 44, 11. That means the um, 25% of 44 is 11. So that means on 25% off, you need to pay 11 less than the original price. So yes, that is 44. That is now sale price is the original price minus the discount. 44 minus 11 equals 33. So the correct option is $33. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the original price of wooden stool is $46. How much will Stanley pay if he buys it during the sale? So which is the correct option? The originally is $46 and it is on 50% off. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is for $23. The correct option is 23. Okay, the next one is the original price of a gymnastics mat is $80. How much will Anne pay if she buys it during the sale? So which is the correct option? Yes, the original price is $80, and it is at 50% off, the price during sale is $40. Very good. The correct option is $40. Okay, the original price of crystal sculpture is $84. How much will Bernie pay if he buys it during the sale? The sale is 25% off. So which is the correct option? What is the price of on 25% off? Just calculate 25% of 84. So 25% of 84 is 21, right? That means the discount is $21. So just subtract $21 out of 84. So 84 minus 21 is $63. The correct option is $63. Right? Okay, the next one is the original price of burrito is $4. What is the sale price? That was on 50% off, so the sale price is, What is the sale price? Yes, the correct option is $2, the half of the original price, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 5 math. The chapter we're working on is consumer math, and the lessons we have covered today are price list, unit prices, and sale prices. So, please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So, if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or I think you can join me in my interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question related to the lesson we just did, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask questions. Stop talking everyone. Just focus on the lesson we are working on. Please ask question if you have any. No questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.